Hello everyone, Sarah again. This is another unit roller conveyor short blast machine, so follow with me. The opening size for this machine is 2.2 meter by 0.6 meter, and the customer will use this machine to blast steel plates and H-beam. 8-unit blast turbine ensure abrasive from the blast turbine cover all the surface of the workpieces. And we can see the guard plate in the blasting chamber is magnet 15 chrome 1. The thickness is 10 mm. Each blast turbine and each part that with the number mark that will easy for customer to installation the machine by themselves. Screw conveyor. The blade material is 16 magnets. Short blast machine manufacturer. Good quality and good price. So contact me if you like this machine.